In this tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to create animated GIF in GIMP. Let me walk you through the steps. Make sure to prepare your images beforehand. So as you can see, there are 4 layers here. So if I hide these images, it's like this. And I highly recommend creating the solid white backgrounds at the very bottom of this layer. That's because if you are using the transparent background, you can see your images clearly if you don't have any background like this. So I highly recommend creating the white background at the very bottom of your layers. And then once you're ready, so go to the top menu and select filter. And then scroll all the way down to animation and select playback. You can take the preview by hitting this play button, and this is how it looks. And you can also change the speed and optimize the frame rate here. And then if it's okay, just simply close this window. And once you're happy with how it looks, next navigate to filter again and also select animation. And then this time click on this optimize for GIF. GIMP optimize this animation as a GIF file, and once it's ready, navigate to File and select Export As. And make sure select this file type as a GIF images and click on Export. And then select Export. There you have it. That's how you create animated GIF in GIMP. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give me a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.